right. We're here on scene. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. You just need to scoot it over a little bit. There.
You come in here or?
No, I'm right here. Grab a drink real quick. I'm not fancy, I don't rotate, so I gotta set up over here where I want you to end. Gosh, damn it. New remote. You're fully loaded, right? You're loaded?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure he's not actually stuck on anything. We just need to scoot it over. That'd be it. Yep, 13. Ugh.
This is my day one driving.
Is it really?
Today.
Really?
Yeah. That's why I scared to call the company and I paid it from my pocket.
Well, if this is the worst thing that happens to you, you got it out. You got it made.
I come in here 3-4 times.
Yeah.
I'm very sleepy. I didn't find anything there.
Yeah.
That's my first day driving.
No. Oh man. Well,
Yeah, but I'm lucky. I didn't hit the pump.
you stopped. That's the important part. You
Yeah.
stopped. A lot of guys would have just powered through that.
I never tried. Nothing.
Yeah. Ow.
It's no drop, right?
No, it won't fall off. No. It may still be able to push in, but it won't fall off. So you should be all right. Yeah.
You screw, right? It's tight, right?
Yeah, it's tight. It's bent, so it doesn't clamp the rail like it's supposed to. Does that make sense?
No.
So, but it's not gonna fall off. It can move side to side, right? But it can't fall down.
What you doing?
Stuff. Don't get scaled in this turd right now. We're unloading cargo from our most recent accident that you guys won't see. It was a pretty major ordeal. But unloading cargo into the building so we can free up our trailer just in case we need it again. She's a little heavy. It's full of got a lot of weight at the rear right now. The axles are not slid properly, so tires got a little squat in them. She died. She did the job. There you go. That one pallet's taking that whole truck. Yeah. Tubbalard? Tubbalard, anybody?
What was the thing?
There's a movie. I don't remember the movie. It's either a movie or a TV show, but they walk into a big Walmart or like a Costco or Sam's, and in the middle of the thing, it's just got tubs of lard in the whole middle of the building. There's a salesman out there, just tub of lard, anybody, tub of lard. These are the things that live rent-free in my head. For those that didn't get the joke, that last pallet was all lard. It was a pallet of lard, in case anybody was wondering. This is oil, fry oil.
Is it really a joke if you have to explain the joke?
It's funny to me, and that's all that matters. As long as I can make myself laugh, everybody else, not my problem. It's like an obstacle course in there, you know?
It's always fun though, right?
Welcome to the forklift games. Coming in District 19. You see the 19 on the forklift District 19.
Yeah.
We got Shane in the forklift games. How long is it going to take him to hit a pole? And we got to restack a couple pallets, if you can't tell.
Longest part, I'd assume, is turning them around, right? Or pulling them back out.
Yeah, that's the most demanding part, other than that pallet that we have to restack. Because they decided to put an unwrapped pallet below a wrapped pallet. So it went exactly as you would expect it to. Yeah. You can't tell we're just overly excited. Sometimes it makes you go like, are they worth it? Because like not only do you have the entire time you're out on the job, this trailer came with a pin holder. Not only do you have the entire time you're out on the job, but then you got to deal with it after the fact. That sucks. Then you got to deal with the invoicing and the billing and the trucking companies that don't want to pay. And yeah. There should be all the oil in here though, right? Or is there a couple more up there?
There's a lot of oil in there.
Of course.
There's a lot on the back of the trailer too. Anyway.
It's just a thought.
I mean, it's a good thought.
I'm so excited. I just can't hide. That's what gets me going, you know? This. Where's our motion light? I wonder if the trailer light's gotta be on. It should know we're in here. Chop your feet. Pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Is this one lard too?
Yeah.
Tub of lard. I just set that on top of the other one and call it a day up there. I'm sure we'll have more to add to it. Oh, what else, Dan? I'm forklift certified. Oh, that's a long ways down. Wow. No. Last pallet had unloaded itself. That's garbage. Redonkulous. Oh. Get back up there and get the last pallet.
I'll shut my door.
Shut your doors for you, sir.
Yeah, go ahead and pull forward so we can shut your doors for you.
Hey, if you pull forward, we'll shut your doors.
Hey, I started up your truck so you can pull forward.
That way we can shut your doors.
Once you pull forward, we're gonna do something I can't remember.
Hey, did you want us to do something when you pull forward? Okay.
Like this door? I mean, yeah, if you pull forward, we close this door.
I think you can get it big time truck driver. People that watch Bonehead Truckers will catch that one. I'm a big time truck driver.